Alright, today I wanted to show you guys how to make a animation with your photos. So I'm going to show you guys it's pretty easy if you just log into Google Photos right here, and then you'll see this thing that says Assistant. And if you click on Assistant, there's a couple of different things you can do. You can make an album, you can create a photo book, a movie, a collage, and then what I want you guys to do is create an animation. So I'm going to click Animation, and then it's going to show me all my photos. And so I thought this would be a fun project for some of these slow shutter speed things that you guys have done, either the dancers, the cars passing, the Hot Wheels. And so what I want to do is select my photos that I want. You guys can choose between 3 to 50 photos. And what I did is I found a student's photos that seem to go in an order and of following one dancer. And so notice I didn't select all the dance photos, I just selected a few. And so that's what you should do, is go into one of your folders, find a dancer that you can follow through the animation, so that it's more complete. And so the way I want to pick my photos is I'm going to pick the checkbox and then hold shift down and highlight the rest, and there we go. And then right up here where it says create, I'm going to click create, and it'll say creating animation. Now obviously the more photos you choose, the longer it's going to take. I only had a few, so there we go. We have our animation of our dancer. Now what you guys can do is share this with me, and so you can say create a link and then share that in Google Classroom. You can also come over here and download it, and when you download it, it'll be a GIF or GIF, however you want to say it, and you can have the GIF if you want to use the GIF for something. All right, there you go. Try it out.